Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable use reduce error exercise on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is you want to go over to the menu. Now in the menu, go to Function Settings, and here select Receive and Forward. Go to the Fax Settings, and here we will have the reduce RX size. So we need to scroll a bit down. It's almost at the bottom, and here, as you guys can see, we can enable it or disable it. And basically, whenever we disable it, we need to apply the setting. So we need to make sure that it's applied, because if not, then it just won't change. And that's basically how it goes for enabling it. You just do the same, and then you guys can manage those other settings. So whenever you go here again, you will see that there's the reduction ratio and reduction direction, and you guys can also manage them. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.